looking to transform PDF reports into professional slide decks without starting from scratch. Let's see how Manus AI agent gets it done in 3 key steps. First up, conversion with brand consistency. We use the Manus AI agent to convert any report into a slide deck that mirrors the original's brand style, with the same color theme, fonts, and visual identity you already use. No more reworking designs from the ground up. Next, full transparency and control. Manus doesn't just generate slides and leave you guessing. You can see how key insights are pulled from the report, and every element is fully editable. Tweak text, adjust visuals, or reformat layouts. It's all in your hands. And finally, clarity in your workflow. We'll show you the title of the slide deck being edited, so you always know exactly which project you're working on, even as you make real-time adjustments.